Hello and welcome to this episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines. Devotees of Infant Jesus Shrine at Bikarnakatte celebrate annual feast. MIFT Kala Kaustuba 2008 showcases students' creativity. Exclusive interview with Yusuf A. Sheikh, former station director of Shillong Doordarshan, and Pandarinath Damodar Lotlekar, a well-known poet and broadcaster. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song by Ronnie Dikunna from Mega Konkani concert held in Dubai. We also have a Kannada song accompanied with dance from Vincent Knight.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
News in detail. The Carmelite order is one of the 5 ancient religious orders in the Catholic Church and the first one to be dedicated to Mother Mary. Carmelite priests from Belgium who had come to Mangalore had built St. Joseph Monastery on Carmel Hill and started worshipping Infant Jesus decades back. Infant Jesus Shrine, situated on top of the hill, which has now turned into a pilgrimage center in Mangalore, celebrated its annual feast on Thursday, January 10th with great devotion and pomp. The Infant Jesus Shrine, located at Carmel Hill at Bikarnakatte, played host to large number of faithful on its annual feast held on Thursday, January 10th evening. Large number of devotees participated in the Holy Eucharistic celebration held at 6 p.m. on Thursday. Bishop Peter Machado of Belgaum celebrated the Mass along with more than 40 priests. In his homily, he said that most of the faithful come here expecting miracles. They expect Almighty God to grant their wishes as proposed by them. But one should look upon Jesus Christ, who has obeyed the will of his Father to the end. He has led us faithful to follow his example by going through trials and tribulations in our life, thereby enjoy the eternal peace with him. He said,
आमच्या आत्म्याची कृपा देवासमोर आणि पवित्र आत्म्याची एकवट तुमचे सगळे आसूं. बोमगाल जेजू स्वादिक शब्द देवातून आयिल्लो आमचे पासत संवसारांत आयिल्लो आनी आमचे सगळे पासत कस मरून सोसून जीवन चाललो. हे जावन आसा हर एक मिसाची येवक्रिस्ताची सत जावन आसा. जेजू मेलो, जीवन जालो आनी पत्त्यान येतलो. आनी हें सत आनी एक फावटी आयचे दिसाक ह्या भागी दिसाक जेन्ना आमी बाळका जेजूचें फेस्त म्हणून आचरण करता, पत्त्यान हें सत आमी उसारून उबारून धरता की बाळूक जेजू आमकां समेस्तांक आमचो भावार्थ धीर करूंक आपयता. बाळूक जेजू आपल्या कश्टा मरणाची वळख आमकां दिवन आमकां समेस्तांक जिवनपणाक भागीदारां करता. बाळूक जेजू आम्हा समेस्तांक एका लेखाक हांगा जमलेल्या तशेंच इतर ह्या पట్టणाच्या मंगळूर गांवच्या समेस्त लोकांक आज विशेश रितीन आपलें बेसांव पाठयता. आमच्या कुटुंबाचेर, आमच्या संस्थेचेर, आमच्या वैयक्तीक जिविताचेर आनी हें बेसांव जावन आसा की आमकां समेस्तांक बापाची खुशी करूंक तो तयार करता. हें जावन आसा आमच्या फेस्ताचो अर्थ आनी ह्या वर्साचो ह्या फेस्ताचो उद्देश तुमकां तिळसिल्लो आसा. जेजू देवाचें उतर.
Carmel Hill is not only a place of miracles, but its serenity should transform one to become a devout individual, he added. Earlier, holy masses were also held in Konkani, Malayalam, English and in Kannada at Infant Jesus Shrine. Devotees, irrespective of their caste and religion, paid visit to the shrine and offered prayers. More than 16,000 devotees attended the Mass, which was celebrated by the Bishop of Belgaum. Looking at the devotees thronging in thousands, one can conclude that devotion of infant Jesus has crossed all boundaries of religion, caste and creed. Okay, let us now move to the field of academic excellence. MIFT is a familiar name in fashion designing, not only in Mangalore but across the country. The students of this fashion designing college held their annual Kala Kaustuba 2008 on Thursday, January 10th. It was an exhibition not only of ornaments designed by students but also an exhibition of their creativity. We have a report on this. Kala Kaustuba 2008, an exhibition of ornaments and fashion accessories designed by MIFT college students, was inaugurated by NSUI President Tejaswi Raj. Principal Kasturi Shetty, who was highly impressed by the students' performance, wished them all that is best and asked them to put in more sincere and hard efforts to climb the ladder of success in the world of fashion designing.
ಕಲಾ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅವರದ್ದು ಓನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲಭ್ಯ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ಲರೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಅವನ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧಿಸಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬರೀ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಥಿಯರೀಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹಲವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಲುಕದಂಥ ಕೆಲವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿವೆ. ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಡ್ರೈ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ಸು, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಶೆಲ್ಸ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಭರಣದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಈಗ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಏಡಿಯ ನೇಲ್ಸ್, ಟೀತ್ಸ್ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ವುಡನ್ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಬೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ನ ರೂಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಈಗ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ಲರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಷಂಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ಲರೀಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಕೃತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕಾರ ಅಂದ ಕೊಡುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆ.
A chain prepared from the seeds of ash god by third-year student Suchitra, a betel nut chain designed by second-year student Dikshita, and an ivory necklace were indeed a great example of creativity.
ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಆಭರಣಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರು ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಚಿನ್ನದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಆ ಥರದ ಆಭರಣಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದು ಅದನ್ನು ಆಭರಣಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸುವಂತಹ.
And now it's time for a break. Don't go anywhere as we will be back with exclusive interviews with well-known Konkani poets Yusuf A. Sheikh and Pandarina Damodar Lotlikar from Goa. So stay tuned.
ಏನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? ಪರಿಹಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ, ಅತ್ಯಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳು. ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಗಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಹೀಗೆನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ.
I had lot of dreams and Apurva made it possible.
ದುಂಬುಯಾನ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೇಂದಿದ್ದೆ, అండ్ అయితే నా స్వంత అనుభవుడు అక్కడ క్వాలిటీ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ఇంకా పరిపూర్ణ తృప్తి ఉంది.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಗುಟ್ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 24922417.
दिरवे कोंकणी हप्ताळें सादर करता 240 विल्फिनाय जानेर 13 आयतारा सांजेर 6 वरार सा लुईस कॉलेजीच्या उक्त्या मैदानार.
Welcome back once again. You're watching Daiji Global Pan Vision. It is a pleasure to all of us here in Daiji World to introduce two great Goan personalities who have scaled greater heights in their profession and as poets too. Yes, as said earlier, today we have exclusive interview with Yusuf A. Sheikh, former director of Shillong Doordarshan, and with Pandarinath Damodar Lotlikar, an established Konkani poet from Goa. Yusuf A. Sheikh was initially with Mangalore Akashvani and has wealth of experience as the first Goan to occupy the post of station director in Doordarshan. So let's meet these great personalities.
आज आमच्यामध्ये दोघ माणूस असतात. एकलो काय पटल्या 20 वर्सां आधी मंगळूर आकाशवाणीचेर प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्युटिव्ह जावन आसून पटल्या थोड्या तेंपा आधी शिलाँग दूरदर्शनाचे स्टेशन डायरेक्टर जावन मागीर उपरांत गुवाहाटी दूरदर्शनाचेर स्टेशन डायरेक्टर जावन निवृत्त जाल्लो युसुफ अब्दुल्ला शेख. युसुफ बाब तुमकां येवकार दायजी ग्लोबल पॅन विजना खातीर. तुम्ही पहिले आकाशवाणीत काम केलेले मनीस, त्यानंतर दूरदर्शनाक गेलेले. आता म्हाका सांगा तुम्ही आकाशवाणी आणि दूरदर्शनाच्या कल्चरमध्ये कितें फरक आसा?
दूरदर्शन ऑडियो व्हिज्युअल मिडियम आणि आकाशवाणी इट इज एन ऑडियो मिडियम. कल्चरामदी फरक म्हळ्यार सेन्स ऑफ डिसिप्लीन म्हणटा पळय ती व्हडा प्रमाणात आकाशवाणीन आसा, ती म्हाका दूरदर्शनान त्या प्रमाणात मेळूंक ना. हाका अनेक कारणां आसात. म्हाका दिसता इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट टू गो into details of these reasons, but one thing is certain that people are more and more attracted towards audio visual medium.
Okay.
You know, this is comparatively recent thing, and whatever we could not communicate with picture support of the picture is now being communicated through Doordarshan. But overall difference between Doordarshan and audio medium is that in audio, as far as songs are concerned, for instance, you can modulate your voice, and more importance is being given to voice culture. In Doordarshan, since there is a visual support, you need not much bother about your voice quality. But whatever is coming through the radio is certainly far better than what appears on the television.
युसुफ बाब, तुम्ही घांटी त्यानंतर रंग है अशी 2 कवितेची पुस्तकां बरयल्या. आता म्हाका सांगा तुम्ही इतल्या सर्वय कवितांमध्ये तुमकां सूख दिलेली कविता खंयची आणि ताची 2 वळी सांगल्यारय आमकां उपकार जातो.
हांवें 2 कविता संग्रह पब्लिश केल्यात. तातूंत पयलो गांठी तातूंत चड युनिटी एमिटी हाका म्हत्व दिल्लें आसा. आनी सेकंड आसा रंगघाय म्हळ्यार घाय जे काळजार पडिल्ले आसा तांचो रंग, कलर्स ऑफ द वुंड्स, सो टू से, कलर्स ऑफ द वुंड्स which appeared due to separation of childhood friends, colors of the wounds which have been there due to atrocities being observed, due to the fact that reasonably good opportunity of living is not being provided to the masses, and so on and so forth. आणि तुम्ही विचारले तातूंतली खंयची कविता तुमकां चड भाळ्ळी म्हणून. सी द सेम विच कम्युनिकेट्स दिस मॅसेज. कवितेचें नांव एक आसा, तातूंतली एक कविता आसा जाचें नांव आसा तृप्त चित्र. सत्ते विणे म्हणजे विदाउट सत्ता, विदाउट पावर. सत्ते विणे पैशा विणे जग सगळें जिखलें, मोनालिजाच्या ओंठार हांशें अमर जावन उरलें. मोनालिजाच्या ओंठार हांशें अमर जावन उरलें. पवनाचे हार नात ना भांगरा सरपळी, पवनाचे हार नात ना भांगरा सरपळी. एका चित्रकाराच्या कलाकृतींतल्यान अप्रूप चित्र घडलें मोनालिजाच्या ओंठार.